What's up, everybody? Here with another video. My truck. Of it catching on fire. Fuel lines were all melted. Everything that's plastic was kind of melted on it. Started leaking fuel out of the fuel pressure regulator on the intake, stock intake. Oh, my boy, what happened to the vet?
No starter problems, man.
Explain to him what happened. What's up with these?
All right, so look, these 6 Corvettes from 05 to 2013. These Corvettes have the starter inside, right here inside of the headers. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that they recommend to put either heat shield on your starter or wrap your headers.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
For the following, the positive solenoid on the starter melts off because of the heat of the headers. So if you have aftermarket long tube headers, I recommend wrap them or heat shield your starter so you don't have to go through this.
All right, so we're gonna take everything off. We're gonna show y'all the process so y'all know how to do it. So we unbolting the header from the exhaust. All right, so now we're gonna unbolt the headers, and these are Allen keyed. So we're gonna take those off real quick. Take off the coil pack, break it off real quick just so we have more space. See if we could pull the headers up and out through here, hopefully.
So we're taking off the oil dipstick to get a little,
moving it.
getting a little more clearance.
That's a 15.
For when we take off the headers, it's a 15mm bowl.
So far, so good. Kind of break the bolts on the headers.
My boy.
Bro, I can't believe I've been recording the wrong way this whole time.
You had one job to do.
Anyways, we're loosening the last bowl here for the headers. But hey, what size is that Allen key? Well, to be honest, I don't know if everybody else has Allen keys as bolts because
It
just says a 6 on there.
We got everything unbolted from the header, the exhaust. Since the exhaust was clamped, we're gonna try pulling this. Hopefully, last time we tried this was really hard.
All right, guys. So right here we have, this is the plug that goes from behind the alternator all the way around to the top of the starter. We have the positive terminal that goes from the battery also to the starter right here. It's two long 13 bolts that hold it up, and then it's what was that top bolt, of 15
For the dipstick?
Yeah, 15 for the dipstick, and that should be all. It's really not. You just have to move the header out the way to get enough clearance to get it out. But other than that, it's pretty forward, pretty simple.
All right, y'all. So we did take the starter off. This is a new one. We forgot to record the old one. But what happened was that with the heat from the headers and the motor, since it's in between, this starts to get loose and all this starts to crack up. So the connection ain't there. So, you know, this is
The voltage is low,
Yeah.
and it's not reading right.
that shit.
So,
Fucks up, so yeah.
You need a whole new one.
So we had to go get a new one. The way we took it out was we just loosened up the headers, you know, just so we could give them some play or whatever. Took the dipstick out and the oil level harness, moved it out the way so you could pull the starter out and you could drop it on the floor. And the harness for the starter, literally the dipstick is right next to it, and obviously the ground for the starter, we left it on there. But other than that, I'm good to go, ready to go back on.
Hopefully it's the fix.
All right, so we got the starter back on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put all this back on. Make sure you put your header gasket back how you took it off. So yeah. Started to rain, so we hurried up and put everything back together. Turned it on. It turned on perfectly fine as it should. Please leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.